अभी हम एशिया के क्लीनेस्ट विलेज में मौजूद हैं जो मेघालय में है। और हाल ही में यहाँ की जो विलेज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है उन्होंने एक फ़ैसला लिया कि ये गांव अब रविवार यानी संडे को बंद रहा करेगा। क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो लोग थे वो उन्हें जो गांव वाले लोग हैं वो टूरिस्ट लोगों को हॉस्पिटैलिटी प्रोवाइड नहीं कर पा रहे थे अच्छे से, क्योंकि संडे एक ऐसा दिन होता है जहाँ पर यहाँ के जो लोग हैं वो चर्च जाते हैं और दूसरी एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। हमारे साथ यहाँ की जो एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी है उसके फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी मौजूद हैं, मिस्टर प्रिशियस। Welcome to the print and thank you for talking to us. So I wanted to ask you why and how did you guys take this decision, and how much time did you take? What kind of decisions you had to come up with this decision?
Okay, first of all, uh, all the villagers here in the village are Christians. So Sunday is almost every villagers have to attend the church service, and in Sunday we cannot offer or render any hospitality or services to the guests. So most of the guests feel bad about that. Like we cannot offer hospitality to them, and we do not want the guests coming here to feel about that. So we decided to close it on Sunday as we cannot provide any facilities to them. So that's why the decision is came up.
So, how much time it took you? Because this village got the tag of Asia's cleanest village in 2003, and earlier you told me that since 2010, people have been coming here, to sightseeing. So it's almost 15 years. For 15 years, you were operating on Sundays.
So, but we got many complaints. Only two restaurants are open on Sunday. So most of the guests did not get the food, even the food also. So it bit hard for them. So that's why we have decided, we come up in the committee, in the executive committee, we talk about that, and then by the local darbar, the general darbar, we have decided to close it on Sunday from January of 2026.
And how is this response? Are people still coming here on Sundays?
Yeah, till now, some people who do not know about the closing of the village, they still come to the village.
So how do you spreading the word to let them know? Because it's a very long drive from Shillong to here, and when you see the place is closed, it must be disheartening too.
Yeah, we have published it in the local newspaper, and then in some media also, in the social network also. So I think now because it's only 2 months now, nearly 2 months, so people start still coming, but I do hope in the few months will come, the people will start to know that this village is closing on Sunday.
Yeah, you have put a board saying this.
Yeah,
No visitors.
we have put a vote also, to tell the people that this place is closed on Sunday.
Are the villagers happy about this decision?
Yeah, it's the decision of the villagers itself.
Okay. You were telling me that before coming up with this decision, the administration had a meeting and then one Janta Darbar. Can you tell more about how and what kind of things they were saying, and then how did they come up with this decision?
Because we have seen many tourists, we got complaints from them also, most of the shop are closed, most of the restaurant are closed. So there's no place for them to eat. There's they if they want to buy water bottle also, they don't get. So that's the main problem. That's the main.
And Sunday is the holiday, and people club their leaves to visit. If you are going on vacation, you plan it that way, that Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday. So Sunday must be, the prime day where when people decide that we should go on Sunday. So it must be a difficult thing for tourists also.
No, ma'am. Most of the visitors come from outside the states of Meghalaya. So they have planned maybe a 1 day week to tour to Meghalaya. So this place is closed on Sunday. So I like they should plan Sunday to go Sunday to other places and then
places.
come this on the weekdays.
Right,
Yeah.
right, right.
So-
विलेजर्स का कहना है कि साल 2010 में यहाँ पर टूरिस्ट के आने की जो संख्या थी वो बढ़ने लगी थी और लगभग 15 साल का समय था जब संडे को भी ये जो विलेज है वो ऑपरेट करता था। अभी हम यहाँ पर कुछ जो टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं उनसे बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे और जानेंगे कि उनका इस बारे में क्या कहना है कि ये जो जगह है वो संडे को क्लोज रहती है। सो वी हैव सम टूरिस्ट ओवर हेयर, सो वी विल talk to them about what do they feel that this place is now being closed on Sundays. Hello sir, क्या नाम है आपका?
I am Dr. Shailendra Singh.
Okay, where are you from sir?
I am from Air Force. I am posted at Shillong.
Okay, sir. So sir, this village now it's now have started closing on Sunday. What do you think? Have you ever planned on coming here on Sunday?
Yeah, this is my first visit, but it should not close on Sunday because of being everyone has to take his own casual leave to come here in on weekdays. If it's open on Sunday, it's very easy to take normal weekend at Saturday, Sunday, and come here, enjoy, and go back, ma'am. There is another place known as Norzarong. This is the best sunrise point. It's also recently getting closed on Sunday. Then it's very difficult and it's very cumbersome for everyone to take weekdays leave and go to these places and go back. So these places should be allowed to be open on Sunday. They can close it on Tuesday, Wednesday, on any other weekdays, ma'am.
So today is a Tuesday.
Today
It's
is
a
Tuesday.
weekday, so you must have taken leave
Yeah, I've taken leave from Monday to Wednesday.
just to visit.
Yesterday we went to Doki. Today we are here. Now we are driving back to Shillong.
Okay. And did you visit the sunrise point you were talking about?
Sunrise Point last week we have visited from Shillong only, ma'am.
Okay. And did you think that did you plan that you should go on Sunday and then you thought, oh, this place is closed?
Yeah, we have to take our own casual leave. Na? The casual leave are very precious one. So for visiting these places we have to take leave. It's not done, ma'am. If it should be open on Sunday, then it's very easy for everyone to go venture these places and come back to their home, ma'am. So it should open on Sunday, ma'am.
Okay. But how do you like the place?
This is beautiful place, ma'am. It's a beautiful place, and it should be not only the Asia's cleanest place, Asia's most beautiful village too. Everybody is so cultured. They are cleaning their own home. It's very good, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
मावली नोम गांव में कई दुकानें, कैफ़े और होमस्टे हैं, लेकिन किसी को भी इस फैसले से आपत्ति नहीं है, बल्कि उनका कहना है कि विलंब समय से ऐसा ही चाहते थे। Since January, this village has started closing on Sunday. What do you think about that, and what was the need of this?
Okay, as for me, because I'm a Christian, so I feel like it's a good thing that we close on Sunday, because as you can see, many tourists will come on Sunday, and then like most of the villages, might some of them they can go to the church. So it's a good thing if we close on Sunday, like everyone can join us with in the church, like we can do some service and all. Right?
Community thing.
Pardon?
Community thing. You guys go together and then
Yes,
pray
yes. That's the main thing for us as the Christian. And
And do you think more people were coming on Sunday and it will affect your business or something like that?
maybe not.
No.
As for us, every Sunday we used to close the restaurant also.
Before that also.
Yes, before that also.
So according to you, who this will benefit to the tourist? Because they were coming here and not getting hospitality.
As for them, maybe it's kind of hard, but like in the homestay, we can manage for that if they need something, or like for the stay or for the food. Maybe the owner of the homestay will manage for that. Yes.
But the running restaurant and people who were just coming to visit the.
Yes, as for that, we already explained in the YouTube or social media. We already said that if many tourists will come here, they have to bring their own food. Yes, for their yes.
What else that they have to bring their own food if you are.
Like maybe they can eat outside the village also. That will be possible. As for here, we don't prepare food anymore.
On
Yes,
Sunday.
yes, on Sunday only. Yes.
थैंक यू।
You're welcome.
तो कुछ इस तरीके की खबरें भी थी कि टूरिस्ट की संख्या से परेशान होकर कुछ जो गांव वाले लोग हैं वो यहाँ से निकल गए। हालांकि जब हम गांव में आए तो हमने देखा कि इस तरीके का कोई इंसिडेंट नहीं हुआ था। लोग बस इसीलिए ये फैसला लिया गया है क्योंकि यहाँ पर ज़्यादातर रहने वाले लोग जो हैं वो क्रिश्चियंस हैं और संडे को वो चर्च जाते हैं और अपनी दूसरी धार्मिक गतिविधियों में बिज़ी रहते हैं और इसी की वजह से इस गांव को टूरिस्ट के लिए संडे को बंद रखा गया है। मेघालय से अब मेरे साथी प्रवीण जैन के साथ नूतन शर्मा की रिपोर्ट।